Hello, today I'm sharing a big news. One of the big company, Google selects Flutter as the framework for optimization and innovation of digital experience. And this big tech giant, insurance giant, and they decided to change their code framework with Google Flutter. It's a big news. And let's read. So current challenge, high complexity and scale across multiple platforms. So the advantage of Flutter app is when you have one code base and you can launch on iOS, Android, web. So if whenever you have changes and updates, you just need to change on one code. And traditionally, if you use the native way of making app, when let's say you want to add a new feature, I want my app to be able to have this chat box. How do? You will have to start several, you need to have several teams. Each team write different language and update all the new feature. So that's very costly. You need a web team, iOS team, Android team, desktop team, and at least 4 or 5 teams to update one feature. And with Flutter, you only need one team and update one, and then it will apply for all platforms. So I think when the company grows and they faced challenge, and they decided Flutter will help them to reduce the cost and speed up the app launch. Over 50 independent regulatory code base in tens of millions of lines of code. Wow. This is huge. Hundreds of third-party integrations. This complexity and size create challenges with simultaneously delivering the same Google-branded experience across multi-channels, web, mobile, and phone. See? Introducing Flutter. Google is addressing piece of this problem by moving its mobile and web development to Flutter and Dart. This led Google Tech significantly reduce the amount of code, duplicative work. Flutter simplifies the process of pushing the same branding and experience across iOS, Android, and web. A common platform supporting framework team iterates on a golden path implementation. Okay, I'm not going to read one word after another, but I will go quickly. So cross-channel shared ownership. Standardized UX development on Flutter as a single framework means UX team can work on their own entire experience across all channels, reducing the amount of drift between different implementation on same functionality. Yeah, that's very true. So if you just have a chat box, you don't have to do 3 times, right? You can make the same for the 3 platform, and that's where the Flutter shines. It's the right choice. It's usable, stable. Can it keep up with mobile evolution, active community? Does it meet our branding requirement? Yes, I think it's all watch our KPIs. Flutter has active community, strong cooperation core. Yeah, that's says yes, Flutter can be a tool for next generation applications. I'm so happy to hear it. Cross-platform goodness make it possible to release. See, that's the app. This is the web, iOS, and Android. Look at that. Reducing custom code. So in Flutter, you can reuse a lot of code. If you have a code for this apartment address, this box, and you can use all these on the 3 platform. You don't have to write the 3 code with different team, different language. It's really a big hassle. That's also why I'm so passionate about Flutter. Continuous rollout, no big bangs, a mature development, demonstrate of mobile development contributors. Things we like about Flutter: the language. Type safety, very important. Null safety is very few language that reach full null safety, and we can talk about the language in the future video. And static and dynamic typing, yes. Functional programming type, yes. Object immunity, data immunity. So these are for a safer coding. And once you create an object, it cannot be changed. You need to use the copy paste method to create a new one, and these makes code more less prone for error. Let's put it that way. A large set of automatic code, yes. The Flutter, the framework, the ability to write once and deliver anywhere. Single set of basic practice across native mobile web paths for single set ecosystem, tooling, community, innovation support. Google is using Flutter to help innovation support. Yeah, that's great. Wow, good news. Thank you. So there are other companies like Toyota, LG, and I know New York Times, and in China it's very popular. Alibaba Code. Many apps are in Flutter as well. So I'm very happy. So this is a blog written by Andrew, and I've been following his post a lot, and this is a good one. So he mentioned about this data connect. What is data connect? Build secure, scalable apps on PostgreSQL. Leverage the power of SQL to structure app data. So in Firebase, the default way, I think it's with no SQL structure. And now, I guess you can build SQL and also with Firebase. That's my understanding. You can bring your own SQL query into Data Connect. You can even take advantage class. Yeah, right. Build a new Gen AI experience with your app data. Data Connect makes it easy to integrate your app's data with generative AI through vector search and LLM-ready APIs. Data Connect offers vector search and integrated embeddings generation, so you can store and search vector embedding in your AI workflow. This means you can build Gen AI workflow with less code and hassle. Yeah, that's great. Good news. There's another link he shared about misinformation circulating Dart. I feel, no strategy change, no change in team size. Some devil moved to a new location, 2014. Oh, great. I don't know. I didn't even read any misinformation. So I guess some people are spreading misinformation. So I really like this news. Let me put it into my calendar, my bookmark. Yeah, new Flutter. This is Flutter official documentation. Let's finish this newer blog and just to check out what else is new to Flutter, some good news, or maybe I don't think there's bad news, like more coming good news. So this is, yeah, we will read this one. I think this lead to the this is a Medium article we will read later. So this is Andrew's own. He basically just summarize all the information into one and add a lot of links for details information. So what's new? A big ticket item include WASM support, now stable on Flutter Web and Impeller, available with this flag on Android. Both deliver significant performance gain, no effort required on your part. So this WASM support is for Flutter Web, and it makes loading more smooth. And the Impeller is a new Flutter engine. And on Dart side, we now have experimental support for macros, a feature that has immense potential. What does this link mean? Oh, it's for some tweeters. Having too much fun with macros. We need to read more about this human readable to screen. What is this? Experiment with data class in Dart using macros. Oh, so it's a package with macros, still super rough but promising. We will read this. Okay, a lot of links, a lot of distraction, but we also got a bunch of quality of life improvement asset transformers. A new customizable web app initialized process, conditional bundle based on. This is amazing. Oh, it's just a lot of links when we will read forever. Read the announcement for all the details. Okay, we will. What's new? So he doesn't have a lot of his own, just summarize with a lot of links. In addition to this blog, I recommend session about Google's Gemini, Impeller macros, and some fire alarm. Sorry. Okay, it's just fire alarm. I don't know. I'm not sure if we have real fire. We will. If you want to watch Flutter session, yes, we will. Great. Announcing Dart 3.4, the latest Dart release delivered two main features: complete WebAssembly support. Great. Dart macros experimental to appreciate how far Flutter Web has come. You can run wondrous web app on Chrome, now built with the latest Dart to 𝒂𝒂 compiler. Great. We will go there. By adding static metaprogramming to the Dart language, macros have the potential to replace code generation where build runner, so with much faster solution. While raising the abstraction level of the code you write. Beyond everyday use cases such as JSON serialization, macro could be used to reduce boilerplate. Yes, very, very useful. As outlined in this proposal, there are so many links. Macros are only available as an experimental feature for now, but Felix and Remy had already taken them for already 3. Oh, I think that's Twitter. Yeah, right. announcing Dart 3.4. What's new in Firebase? So the Firebase team finally announced SQL-based database called Data Connect. Looks very promising. The premise looks pretty compelling. You define your data model and query using GraphQL and Data Connect. Generate a post-regret SQL schema, secure API endpoint, generate strongly tapped SDK with new at Firebase, a Flutter article and video from the community. Why I'm betting on Dart? What's the latest Flutter release? Take the spotlight. I haven't forgotten about you. Okay. It's a language that has danced in many arenas for 12 years life, and as a result, picked up a very diverse and unique set of capability, one that I think is difficult to compare to modern. Indeed, there's no other language that supports both just-in-time and ahead-of-time compilation, while also being interoperable with Objective-C, Swift, Java, Kotlin, and JavaScript. And means Dart can be converted into this achieved with FFI. I forgot first. I don't know. Allow it to wrap over package. Okay. This article, okay, another new articles. Create your own lint rule with custom lint. Ever wanted to write your own lint rules? Yes. So, how to print the logs in Flutter into consoles? You can use, if you need to print or log something on the console, you can print debug print log or logger package. But which one should you use and why? We use logger package. How to print the logs in Flutter into console? Console we do print. Yeah. That's a good one. We can read. Have you ever looked at a package that implements some complex functionality but couldn't find anything good enough on PubDev? In this kind of scenario, you may try to write something from scratch or improve existing package, but what if you don't have time? Oh, what does that mean? So the level is Flutter JS package to import existing JavaScript language. Use the runtime API where Dart FFI. This latest video by Andy shows how it's done. Cool.
Today's video is gonna be about running JavaScript code in Flutter.
I should make those videos. How do you make those videos? Latest from publish my own new ultimate guide to code generation. Shared a bunch of new tips on GitHub and my website. Okay. I got my Flutter tip app approved after it was removed. Update course on Flutter 3.322. That's amazing. I want to I want to learn it, and my Flutter can't talk was accepted too. Code generation with this article by Anna is a very comprehensive guide to go to covering this topic, code generation mechanism. How yeah, this is very good. Oh, see, we just read one and we have so many to read. Code generation for code generation package, yeah, we used this before freezed. Efficient code-based maintenance, we will never finish this, but let's focus on what's more important. And I really want to learn these. I think, yeah, this is a very good course, and I plan to take. Let's first to see what is what's new. It's landing by Flutter. Okay, it's been a particularly busy few weeks. What does it say? Integration with 𝒕𝒍𝒆. Okay. Flutter in action. This again? Sorry.